Hi guys, this is Anastacia Hauldridge, Coach Ace here, and welcome to Ace and Rich Freedom by Design. Today's tutorial is going to be exciting because I'm going to teach you something really cool. I have been asked through personal request by someone within the SFM community to teach them how to create that clickable image that we have here that you guys see that you love so the most. How do we make that even happen? So I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? So let's go to our Digital Bloggers blog, and as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3 call to actions, and each of these are actually tracked, and so we know exactly where our leads are coming from. And so here's the thing, I'm going to teach you how to make one. So let's go straight to the back office of Digital Bloggers, and we're going to go to the Posts tab, and right here where it says Add New, you're going to click on Add New. Okay, now let's say you already have an image. Okay, then the best way to do that is to go to Upload, Insert, Icon, and then you'll be able to go to your media library, and that's where you'll find your images. But if you don't have one, go to My Computer, and we're going to click on Select Files. Now I've already have some images, so let's use one for this demo. I have mine on my desktop. Go here, and we're going to click Open. Okay. Now there are two ways you can do this when you add your tracking. You could leave this page open because your tab window will be stayed open, and you could just go and hop on over to the Six Figure Mentors back office where your membership is and log in, then go to Marketing and go to My Link Generator. Okay, that's one way of doing it where you can create your tracking. So let's go ahead and do that from here. Now, there is a My Default Sales Funnel, so we're going to leave that alone where it says Six Figure Mentors. And then right here where it says Landing Page, you can click on this drop down, and it's going to open up all the different landing pages that are already propagated and pre-created for you. And here's the thing, I want to leave you with this tip. Guys, if you're going to create a landing page, make sure that your message matches with your market. See, I can't sit here and tell you, okay, the exact one that I use, because we use various ones. We even create our own. So I would say for this demo, depending on your niche, okay, and what type of target market you're going after, you want to preview each one and make sure that it matches. So let's say, for example, we're going after the network marketers who are, sick and tired of doing network marketing, and they want to do something a little different with their marketing and advertising instead of building, like the whole list of names of family members in your warm market, that kind of thing. So let's say we're going to pick, I know there's one here. Hold on. Okay. Home business lead generation. Let's say that one. Okay. And if we want to look at it, we'll just click over here and just preview it. There we go. There's the message. That's the copy. That's what you want to hear. Sir. Let me pause that. Okay. This is what you want. Okay. So we're going to close this out. And now what's the next step? The autoresponder. Very, very important. Make sure that you choose your autoresponder list so that way when the lead comes in, it goes right into the right appropriate list. And as you can see, Rich and I have been very busy, and we have multiple lists that actually are growing. So we're going to use for this demo, we'll use one of our lists. Okay. And then you have your thank you page. Now, again, what did I say? You want to make sure that your thank you page and your landing page are what? Congruent. So what we're going to do is we're going to go here, and there are also congruent type of pages to go along with the landing page so that the message is actually matching with the right market. So we picked home lead generation. I'm just going to go with home business lead generation as well. Okay. And if you want to make sure that that's correct and what your person on the other side of the window is going to see, this is what happens when they opt in.
All right,
they're going to see this video,
ready?
and it's going to play, and they'll see the timer, and then they'll be able to purchase your product or download something, okay, that you're giving away. So we're going to close that out. Now what's the next thing to do? Tracking. This is where people get lost. Here's another tip. You guys, you can't just write a long description. It doesn't look right in your tracking, and you can't see where your leads are coming from. So what I like to do is I like to keep things very simple. So let's say write sidebar, right? So we're going to abbreviate write sidebar, RSB. What's the call to action? Well, instead of writing call to action, you just put CTA. And then we're going to put free bonus or whatever it is that they're going to see. Okay, just a short description. You don't need to put the whole thing out. And then click generate advertising link. Okay, and after you click generate advertising link, it's going to create two URLs. You have a generated link and you have a short link. Another tip, use the long generated link. Okay, I'm going to tell you why. It looks really good when you're looking at your list, okay, of generated links, and you know exactly where everything is. If you use the short one, you can't really tell, and you don't see no descriptions. It just says tidyurl.com and then a number and some letters. It doesn't make it organized, and that's what you got to do. You got to keep it organized. So we're going to go with this one. Right click, copy that link. Now let's go back to where we were before. And remember this window that was open? Okay, you see this where it says link URL? I want you to double click in there and hit delete. And then what I want you to do is paste your new URL right here. Now that your new tracking link and URL is there, you want to go to insert into post. Now, let's go to visual so that you can see the image. Okay, and this is what I wanted to tell you. That was the one way of how to do the link for the image. But the second way is once you download your image, you inserted your image, you can click on it, it turns blue, and then click on this little chain link right here, and there you go. You can paste, delete, and then paste what you want. If there was something there already, make sure you put a check mark where it says open link in the new tab window because you don't want to lose the lead, right? And go to update, and it'll be right there. Now, we're almost at the home stretch. Now let's go over here to where it says HTML, and you see the code. That's what you want. You're going to double click and copy. Okay, those of you who are my copy and pasters. All right, now we're going to go to appearance. Now, of course, by default, it's going to ask you, do you really want to leave this page without saving it? Yes, we do. So say leave. And now, let's go to where it says arbitrary text or HTML for form code. This thing right here, it says text. Click, hold, drag it over to the position that you want it in. So I'm going to put it way at the top. And we're going to go ahead and paste. And there it is. Now you're going to click on save. Don't worry about anything else. And let's go ahead and check it out. I'm going to open up tab and refresh my blog here. And it's going to be right there. There should be two of them. Yeah, see? All right, so let's go ahead and test it real quick. There it is. You see that right there? RSB CTA free bonus. That's what I'm talking about. That's why you got to use the long URL, okay? And look at that. There it is. So if you guys, hold on, let me pause this. Let's go back to my blog here. If you guys enjoyed this training tutorial, post a comment below, give us a thumbs up, share it with those who you know is having problems in creating this and this could really help them. And also, if it's your first time here and you like what you see and you want to see more training videos and more content from Ace and Rich, just go ahead and click that subscribe button. That'd be cool. We appreciate you. And other than that, guys, I will see you on the next video. This is Anastacia Ace Hauldridge, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.